Welcome to our channel. Chase ReliaCard is a prepaid debit card often used for payroll, insurance claims, or other payments. Activating it via the mobile app is convenient and takes just a few minutes. Step 1. Download the Chase mobile app from the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone, or from Google Play Store if you use an Android device. Step 2. Open the app and look for the Sign Up or Enroll option. If you already have a Chase account, sign in with your existing credentials. Step 3. If this is your first time using the app, you'll need to register your ReliaCard. Have your card number and the temporary PIN from your card materials ready. Step 4. Follow the registration prompts, entering your personal information including name, address, social security number, and date of birth for verification. Step 5. Create your username and password for the mobile app. Make sure to choose a strong password following the security requirements displayed. Step 6. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where your ReliaCard should appear in the accounts list. Step 7. Tap on your ReliaCard to access card management options. Look for an Activate Card button or similar option. Step 8. Complete the activation by verifying your card details and setting up a permanent PIN if prompted. The app will confirm successful activation with an on-screen message. Your Chase ReliaCard is now ready to use for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.